hold a very different view on this matter. That as the committee goes to do their job, would they also check whether it is time we checked why bhang, why not other drugs? And number two, whether we can legalize it indeed, so that people can use it. Because since independence, before independence, they have been impounding bhang from Uganda into Bungoma, from Uganda into Busia, and they do that every week. It is not the way to go about it. It's not stop it. People who are inclined to take bhang will take bhang, legalize or illegal, illegal or illegal. So the idea that we keep saying bhang is illegal, bhang, does it make it illegal because we said it's illegal? We must get a way of dealing with bhang in a better manner than the issue of illegalizing bhang. Because there are people who believe, and here I have to give a personal example on this matter, that 5 years ago, I went down with a terrible, serious back pain. I was recommended for surgery in India. And I said, the doctor told me, no, you're too young for a back surgery. And Mr. Speaker, for a whole year, I got bhang. Every evening at 10 p.m., I would boil it. I would boil it and take it every evening before I go to sleep. Let me give a personal example of this.
You are confessing the commission of a crime.
Yes, and the police can do what they want to do. I mean, so every single evening at 10 p.m., the way you take your tea, the way you do the Chinese tea, I would boil the water, put a few leaves in it, not smoke. Then put a few leaves in it, and then I would sleep well till the following day in the morning. I did this for a whole year, Mr. Speaker, and I got better. The only time I get my back is around this time in Nairobi when it gets cold, June and July. And I go back home and again pick the fresh leaves. At 10 p.m., I mean, you can grow bhang. You've been told it's grown everywhere. And so I don't believe, Mr. Speaker, that keeping saying that bhang is illegal, bhang is bad. They have been impounding bhang since 1970s, 60s, 50s from Uganda. And it's not stopped. So impounding, talking about the police, it will not help. We need to get a way around the bhang matter, more with education, more with a better way of dealing with it, because it can't be, and I can see Honorable Chika looking at me, it can't be that bhang helps with medicine in Mexico, bhang helps medicine in America, but in South Africa, Mr. Speaker, you go there are shops, open shops, where you go in and you're told, the medicine, if they ask you whether you want to take it as medicine or you want to take it to get a high. We must deal with it that way. We can't keep doing the provincial police, the colonial way of that bhang is bad, or you can't do this there. No. We need to get reality and say that this bhang has been there for a long time. How best do you deal with it, Mr. Speaker? That's my 2 cents on it, the matter.